Hello and good morning. Welcome back to my channel G3 Astro. Today we will look at the 7th house for the Gemini Ascendant and the quality of marriage, type of marriage and the timing of the marriage. This is a female chart. The houses that are reckoned with is Lagna Lord, 7th house Lord, Venus and Moon from the Rashi chart, Navamsha Lagna and the 7th from the Navamsha Lagna. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share and hit the bell icon. Now let us go a little forward. Gemini Ascendant, there is no planet posted in the Ascendant. Venus is posted 7th house, aspecting the Lagna or the Ascendant. Therefore, the Ascendant and the 7th house are well placed with no malefic influences. The Lagna Lord Mercury is conjoined with Sun and Mars, two malefic planets, and is aspected by Jupiter, who is the 7th Lord. As Jupiter, he is benefic, but as the 7th Lord, he carries the negative influences of Sun and Mars. In the Navamsha Lagna is in Pisces, which is the 10th Amsha from the Rashi Lagna, and the 7th from the Navamsha Lagna, Moon is posted. Therefore, the Navamsha Lagna is good. Results: first, this marriage is positively promised. 2, the native will have an arranged marriage because there is no link between 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. 3, the timing of the event. Since there are malefic influences influencing the Lagna Lord Mercury and the 7th Lord Jupiter, the native will have slight delay in her marriage to about 3 to 4 years. She had the Rahu Dasha from 1985 to 2003. Jupiter Mahadasha is the 7th house Lord Dasha and also the Navamsha Lagna Lord Dasha. Therefore, in Jupiter Mahadasha itself, the native will get married in the Bhukti of Jupiter himself. Now, Jupiter Mahadasha, Jupiter Bhukti, the native will get married. The transits during February 2003, Jupiter was posted in Leo, aspecting the 7th house and Venus. Saturn was posted in Gemini on the Lagna Lord, aspecting the 7th house and Venus, thereby fulfilling the double transit. I hope this video was useful to you. Do like, share, subscribe. Follow me at G3 Astro. Signing off, Gayatri. Have a pleasant day. Bye-bye.